Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. I'll show you a crockery unit in rose gold, antique rose gold in fact, and one of the most beautiful designs in crockery unit with the curves and the output you see here. I'll talk about this unit a little later. Just I have a little story to share with you. A client from Chennai recently visited us. He'd been to different places, to all the market in Chennai, even to Bangalore, and then he visited Kirti Nagar, Delhi, the Asia's biggest furniture market. And everywhere he has visited, he has seen similar kind of carved furniture these days. And one thing was common: the pictures of Aarsun. Everybody have them, the designs, the patterns, everyone is using our pictures somewhere to showcase their stuff. One of the showroom guys even mentioned this, that since Arson has started promoting this thing, it has gone big. A really big compliment for us. And the best part to be proud of is this is a local art. This is not made by any machine. Local artisans, handwork, small tools like chisel and cutting tools that are used to make this entire unit. This is just one design I'm showing you. We have hundreds and hundreds of actual models, actual work to showcase on our website, arsonwoods.com, and YouTube, where we have close to 700 videos now, and amazing stuff we have posted there. This has been possible just because people have trusted us. We cannot make so many units and just place them here waiting to be sold. We have made all that you see in the past 700 videos, and we have already delivered it to the client's place. If you visit the testimonials section on our website, you will see the same items that are showcased in the video. After they have reached the client place, the name of the client and the location is mentioned there. Now that is a testimony to the fact, to the work that we have done, and the blessings that we receive from the clients after they receive the stuff and they happy they are. Those blessings have taken us to these heights, that arson is an international trademark in more than 35 countries, and we are delivering everywhere. The thing that really strike us to be happy about is we are taking the local art everywhere across the globe. And once you see this work, you will also agree with me that these kind of units, this kind of work requires better promotion, better visibility, and you can help us in that. If you are looking at the video and you like our work, please share with others. Let them know something like this is getting done. Your one share can help some more artisan to get work. I'll show you this unit. This is a 6 feet left to right. Total height is 7 feet, and it is a 4-door showcase. Now the curves of this unit is the highlight. You see how beautifully, how nicely it is curved. And in the same shape the door is going. This is the work of master artisans, because getting the wood in this shape is the art. Straight wood can be cut by machine, by a carpenter, but this is artist work, artisan work. Similarly, we have a double door in the middle and same curved door on the side, and then the top here completely carved. The design is from a catalog, Italian catalog, I think, and this is an actual unit I'm showing you here. You will require glass here, here, and on these panels, and inside shelves also to be made of glass. Glasses, marbles, granite, onyx, all these items are fragile, so we don't provide it. That can be easily procured anywhere. A local guy can come and fit the glass in this. To get the local guy for the glass thing is not very difficult, because most of them comes to places and fix the window glasses and other glasses, so that can easily be done. The color of this is antique rose gold. So if you want it in any other color, the natural wood finish, the darker finish, you want it in gold, silver, you want it in off-white with highlighting, multicolor shading, everything is visible on the website and the YouTube videos. You pick any design, you pick any color, You pick any size. Let us know, we'll make that. And let us know where to deliver it. We'll do that. The most difficult part in making and delivering is the delivery part in itself. We can make Taj Mahal here. We can make anything, any beautiful thing here. But how to transport it safely to your home is the question. And our testimonials is the representation of what we have done, delivered hundreds and hundreds of items across the globe. So you can rest assured that we will take care of that. Design here, work on website, models and options everywhere available, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and any other social media channel you can see. You'll find Aarsun everywhere because we have got the stuff. Hope you like our work and you will consider my request to let people know about this. Thank you. Dhanyavad.